For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a really quick, simple but effective piece of artwork just using some acrylic paints, some washi tape and a canvas. Now this can also be done using pens, crayons, markers, Posca pens. It can be done on normal paper. All I'd say is if you're using paints, watercolours or acrylic, I'd use a slightly thicker paper, probably about 200 grams, just so the paper doesn't warp when you add the paints onto it. Now the canvas that we're using today is 25 centimeters by 35, so quite a small canvas, but it does produce a really nice piece of artwork that is accessible to anybody at all. So first thing that we need to do is we need to make a pattern onto our canvas using the washi tape. Now to do that, all you need to do is put it from one side of your canvas to the other in diagonal lines. Just make sure it's stuck down to your paper, just so no paint can get underneath this tape. So carry on doing this. Now the more that you cross over your washi tape, the smaller the areas you're going to have to paint. So depending on what piece of art you want to do, you can either have lots of big pieces or you can have some really small intricate areas that you're going to need to paint. Now, if it's your first go at doing this, larger areas will probably be better just for your first attempt. Again, just make sure the tape is stuck down fully to the page. Okay. As you can see, I've now finished adding the washi tape onto my canvas, so I'm happy with the composition of the tape. Just make sure that they're all stuck down fully onto the page. Once you're happy with your composition of your tape, you can then start adding the paints on. So I'm using acrylic paints, and I find it best that you keep the original colours rather than mixing your colours. It looks really nice if it's nice, strong, bold colours that you use for the final picture. Okay, so now we're going to continue this, filling all the different sections and just putting different colours in each section as we go. Once you've filled all of your different sections with the colours that you want, now is the time that you get to reveal your final piece of artwork, and you can peel off the washi tape. So you can start from one end. After you peeled off all the washi tape, there you have your final revealed piece of artwork using washi tape. As you can see, quick, simple, but really effective piece of artwork that you can all engage in and have fun creating.